Hi there, guys. I'm going to show you what software I use as a programmer. We're going to start up obviously with Visual Studio Code. Please do not ask me why, and what is this. So I'm going to close the folder quick. Visual Studio Code is friendly where it's extension pack. And, and I like to have extension packs. Yeah. I even have GitHub Copilot installed here. Yeah, but I use the free plan now. It has expired. I need to wait. And now moving on, we have GitHub. So so this where I publish my software where and all of that stuff. So I'm going to click go one pursue not you. Okay? That's a lot of pursue. So yeah, so this Rotterdam and don't ask me why I have a zip file here. Just don't ask me why. Yeah, that's GitHub. And you want to follow me on GitHub? Go to this link. Go to this link right here. And then we have an other software, which is GitHub Desktop. So GitHub Desktop is this. So I can make my repositories here. So if I make my so I haven't published my repository to GitHub yet, there will be a boot button. Or I just want to copy the or I just want to copy the repository for GitHub. Or I publish the change that I made in GitHub desktop to GitHub. So yeah. And the French origin is as to copy information for the GitHub website, right? And publish my changes to the GitHub website. Yeah. And then we're going to talk about a command line here. So this is so go to open in folder the desktop and then yeah this oops extension select folder. So it's time to go back to this folder. This is this is my custom Visual Studio Code extension. And I made this file. I used to use this program to make these types of files, but I can't upload it into the marketplace unfortunately. But with vsce, I can. So make sure so you got everything ready. Make sure you have packet. The requirements are package.json. What is .md? James.md. Readme.md. Snippets.json. Once was correct basic. Grammar.json. That is only for the programming language. There's a lot of categories that you can do there. And use programming languages. So, and then type it to the terminal vsce package. You don't need to put it in JSON. So it's just going to recognize what file extension it is. And then after that, it will make this type of folder. And then we're now going to the marketplace. No, not the real life thing. The marketplace for Visual Studio. Visual Studio Code. Also div OPS. I have no idea what it is. It's subscriptions apparently for some reason. So I create purpose extensions. I create new extensions with Visual Studio Code. Select create the upload and then go to the location where the vsce file is located in. So it's mostly in the extension. So we will just open the nesting folder for this. So ts start. You need to make it extension back for programming sets in Visual Studio Code. You always need this. But you need to go to the terminal. Make sure the location is this, okay? So yeah. That's how I upload my extension. First, it's just going to verify my extension version, and then it will a first repeat purpose. And then guess what? What? People are really storing it. Storing one of my extensions. Like, wow. Are you one of those guys? Thank you. Okay, this is my new extension. So do not ask. So yeah, this is my new extension I uploaded to the marketplace recently, and like every single one, it doesn't attract viewers, but what my other dude did, that it will apparently get views and start erasings. So yeah. So these are all the software I use as a programmer. But oh wait, I almost forgot the languages. So I use two languages. Python, you probably know this, but I'm going to just put in a simple print parentheses, exclamation mark, hello world. And then JSON is a bit different. I mostly use JSON to make Visual Studio Code extensions. So that is actually it. So goodbye.